Don't wait until the February or 2021 to set new goals for yourself. Rather, take advantage of the month of January to take stock of your year and start developing new habits. A good way to create a transition, and to set up a new routine smoothly. Number 1. Start a sporting activity. Often, sport is one of our good resolutions. Rather than waiting for the next month or next time to take the plunge, try to start a sports activity now. This will allow you to find your pace and be able to take stock of your goals to reach in February. If the start of year celebrations don't allow you to start sport immediately, just start educating yourself and planning your sessions. You will have no more excuses. Number 2. Invest in a newspaper. It's the trend of the year. Logbooks, also called bullet journals, can help you organize and plan your daily life. To prepare for the new year, treat yourself to a notebook and start filling it with your goals or your agenda. Thus, you'll get into the habit of taking notes and putting your thoughts on paper over the months. Number 3. Sign out. As with television, laptops and computers are among the bad habits of the people. If you want to be less connected next year, try to move away from your screens gradually. Get into the habit of reading, or even doing personal development activities like yoga. A good way to change your habits and enjoy life differently. Number 4. Turn off your TV. Do you have the bad habit of putting yourself in front of the television on the way home from work, and you want to remedy it? Don't wait until January to make this resolution and start moving away from the screens now. Indeed, take advantage of the holiday season to spend time with your family. Get into the habit of doing other activities. This will make it easier to keep your television off in next February. Number 5. Take care of yourself. Take advantage of the start of the year to take care of yourself. Take time to breathe, and spend time on what you like. This will also allow you to take stock of your year, and start 2020 on a good foundation. If you like the video, hit the like button.